Всем привет, это канал Хоист Мус. Меня зовут Александр. Мы продолжаем проходить Волк среди нас. Остановились мы на том, что нам надо поймать Крейна. Давайте поговорим с Бавкиным. Узнаем, что он думает по этому поводу.
Hi, Mr. Bigby. I can still help you catch Crane, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. I saw him jump on the telephone before he left. He called up somebody. He said he needed to see his witch, or that he would need to get to the witch for that. Whoever that is.
His witch?
Yes, it sounded like the one he got his snow glamours from.
Но это неплохая зацепка, я считаю. Видел что-нибудь еще?
Anything else, did you?
No, not especially.
Почему ты его не
Did you try and
остановил?
stop him?
What do you want me to do? Yank on his hair? I'm only 3 feet tall. There are limits here.
Okay.
Это не твоя вина.
The whole mirror thing? It's not your fault, all right?
You mean it?
Yeah.
I'll just see if I can do anything about this.
You do that.
Так, пойдемте дальше изучать улики. Что у нас в целом? Стол можно смотреть, можно поговорить со Снежкой. Так, давайте исследуем стол. Стопудово что-то он забыл спрятать. Так, есть несколько листов. Ключ 207. Это, кстати, улика. Так, ящик открыть. Я думаю, сперва посмотрим бумаги. Так. Так, это обычные рабочие поручения его. Так, ты обещал отправить в мою квартиру мастера, который займется ремонтом штукатурки после инцидента с волком.
Did Crane ever do any work?
Only when Cole was around.
Так, ну тут пока все
What is it?
как-то
Key to his room at the open arms.
скучно.
You still haven't told me what was in there. I want to know. I need to know.
Crane was, paying Lily to live out a fantasy of him and you together. Forgive me if I spare you the details.
I keep thinking back. I keep replaying moments in my head. Interactions with him when he'd catch me in the elevator or bump into me outside. There's
Я
only
думаю,
so
я
much
переборщил
in
с
your
деталями.
privacy, you know?
Мы поймаем
Don't
его.
worry, Snow. We'll get him.
Come on, let's keep looking.
Продолжим поиски. Ну, у нас только ящик остался. Больше негде искать. Книжица какая-то подозрительная. Раз под замком. Наверное, в ней есть...
There's a page here that was torn out.
Oh, yeah? Buffkin, do you know what was here?
It's a ring, at least. Every magical item not retained in the armory is assigned to someone in Fabletown. It must be this witch he is going to see.
Wait, what witch?
Buffkin overheard Crane set up a meeting with a witch.
Well, yes, it sounded like the one he got his, glamours from. It must be about this ring.
Why not mention this before?
No one asked me.
Buffkin!
And I'm hungover. I'm sorry. He set the meeting at 2 a.m. tonight.
What's going on? Is the mirror fixed yet?
Bluebeard, this isn't the time.
Is the mirror fixed or isn't it? You
I
called me
called just to see if you knew where Crane could be, and that was it, okay? And I'm sorry I said anything more than that.
Well, you did, and I know. The cat's out of the bag. So, can we find the dull pervert or not?
I tried.
No, it can't be fixed. It's missing a piece.
This is none of Bluebeard's business, Bigby.
None of my business? Crane's the murderer. He escaped. It seems he spoiled your every attempt at locating him. And now it's none of my business?
We don't know if he's the murderer.
Oh, please. Of course he is.
Look, this just isn't the time. He took a piece of the mirror, so we can't use it.
The only thing we know is that Crane's going to see a witch at 2 o'clock.
AM or PM?
A.M.
Listen, Bluebeard, you're not a part of this.
I don't think you're in any position to turn away help.
Define help.
You're not needed here.
Just ignore him.
Ignore me?
Look, we know that Crane is going to see a witch, and it's to acquire a magic ring.
What's the ring?
We don't know what it does or who it's assigned to since Crane tore its page out of the book.
This farce was your ridiculous idea for a plan. I mean, who put you in charge in the first place?
Fixing the mirror was the most logical
You're a
thing.
secretary. He's the sheriff. And none of you were chosen to run this office. Who elected you to make these decisions?
Nobody, but that
Who
doesn't...
elected her to spend my money?
Well, I've been doing that unofficially for years now.
Unofficially is not officially.
I'm heading up the investigation, okay, Bluebeard? That makes this a moot point.
And somebody needs to run the business office while he does so.
Well then, excuse me for having the Commonwealth in mind.
Все, теперь уходи. Будь добр.
All right, let's just look on the bright side. We know Crane is going to see the witch that's been supplying him black market glamours.
Thanks to me.
And that he'll be there at 2. So that gives us a few short hours to find out who it is and where they live and get them all at once.
And a few shorter hours the more you babble about it.
We haven't been the ones babbling.
Yeah. Just point in the direction you want me to check first.
Since Lily used the glamours, she'd have known who the witch was, and I don't think Holly's burned her things yet. It would probably have the address or a phone number or something.
And Bigby is free to go there if he likes. But I think the question you should be asking is just what do the two Tweedles know about this?
It doesn't matter what they know. After tonight, they'd never go to their office.
They're not smart enough to try and go anywhere
The
else.
Trip Trap is the better option to track the witch down. That has to be our focus.
If Holly has Lily's things, that'd probably be the safer bet.
I don't really care what you two do. I'm going to his apartment.
What? You can't just go up there.
And why the hell not?
We already looked for the key, remember? I don't know where it is.
Then I'll pick the blasted lock! I've wasted enough time waiting for the mirror to find him. I won't waste any more.
You just can't go up there alone, all right?
I've no interest in nicking his drapes, my dear, if that's what concerns you.
What concerns me is you traipsing through possible evidence.
Oh, now it's evidence. Before you had no interest, and now it's a crime scene.
Bluebeard, you're not going anywhere.
Really now? And what? You gonna stand here and babysit me? While the rest of your leads evaporate into mist?
We have to find the witch, Bluebeard, since that's where he's going.
Or the sniveling weasel chickened out, never went anywhere, and is upstairs right now in his pitiful penthouse, crafting a fort out of couch cushions. Look, this is how a smart person would do it. So this is how we're going to do it. Wherever you go, I'll go to the other.
I don't like you going anywhere unsupervised. He's up to something. I don't know what it is, but we don't have the time to really worry about it now. Where are you gonna go, Bigby?
Я уже сказал, куда пойду. Я пойду, узнаю... К Холли, скорее всего.
So you leave Crane alone, and we'll leave you alone.
I'd love to join you, but there's some business I need to attend to.
No, I'm better off dealing with things alone.
Блин, ну
I don't
после,
need
наверное...
sympathy and I don't need charity.
После похорон Холли наверняка не захочет меня видеть. Офис братьев, но эти тоже сразу начнется потасовочка. Квартира Крейна, ну это, я думаю, глухой след. Это просто, ну он хоть как поехал к ведьме, точно не в квартиру. Поедем в бар.
The witch's identity must be with Lily's stuff. I should go see Holly first.
Perfect. And I'll go to Crane's apartment.
I'll check in with you later. I hope you know what you're doing.
Так ты же мне посоветовала это. Не понимаю. Остался 1 час 22 минуты. Надо торопиться. Так. Давай просто откроем эту дверь. Так.
We're closed. I need to talk to Holly.
Придется выбивать.
Hey, look, Woody, it's the sheriff. Well, come on in, buddy.
Ну, кстати,
What? He's a traveler. A weary traveler in search of some hospitality, right? Yeah. I'll only be here 2 minutes. I just need to check through Lily's things. Whatever.
так.
I want a drink. Anybody else want a drink?
Ren, Swinehart said you shouldn't mix
You
it.
think I give a fuck what that fucking guy says? Or what you say?
Gren, really, you shouldn't drink right now.
I can't hear you when you mumble. You should quit while you're ahead with that stuff. I might need your help.
Holly's asleep in back, but you won't be able to wake her.
Really?
The doc gave them both barmecidal ambrosia for the pain.
Look, the deal is, if you resist going to sleep, like I am right now, it gives you a very, very, very nice high.
And he said that he shouldn't mix it with alcohol.
Это очень плохая затея.
Yes, he did. He certainly did. But let me tell you something. I haven't felt this good in a long time, fat boy.
Have you seen her sister's things? What wasn't burned at the funeral? I saw her come in with something, but I didn't see where she put it.
Nope, haven't seen it.
Главное, с ума не сойдите и
Funeral
бар не
back
разнесите.
there, that was a shitty fucking send-off for a pretty okay lady.
Yeah.
You weren't fucking there. Talking to Bigby now, okay? Can't say you being there helped things much.
Gren, don't start nothing.
Who's starting anything? I'm not.
You think I shot up the place? It wasn't my fault.
They got away though, didn't they? Whatever. It's alright. I'm too out of it to get into it. I want to clear the air. We're all in this dung heap of a fucking shit town together. And we're all gonna have a toast. All of us.
Fellas, I'm here for one thing. To look through Lily's belongings and get out of here. Now,
Yeah, I know. And I want to help you, okay? And I will. But first, indulge me. It'll take 2 seconds. As a show of good faith. And after, we'll all hunt and peck for Lily's shit or whatever.
Хорошо, я
And
выпью.
Bigby didn't come here to get loaded with you.
I don't want to get loaded with him. It's just a quick slug.
Хорошо, выпью. Но это чтобы дело быстрее пошло. Я надеюсь, он пойдет на компромисс.
All right, now help me.
Gren, the doc said you needed a rest.
How many times you fucking gonna warn me about it, huh? You're not my fucking mother, so just get off my back!
I said I was sorry, all right? I can't do anything about it. It's done.
Так,
What more do you want?
Так,
What else can I
прекратите.
fucking say here? Cut this shit out now. I don't care what it's about.
Oh, I forgot. You haven't heard the news. This walking lard cake was paying Holly's sister to let him fuck her behind all of our backs. And Holly had to find out going through all of her sister's shit. What fun that must have been. Trick after trick of this fat ass and Lily.
I didn't plan for that, all right? And our thing, whatever it wasn't a big deal. It wasn't. I never fucked her when she was snowing. I didn't know nothing about that.
No, but you knew Holly would flip out. And you knew for a damn good fucking reason.
You know what? Fuck this. I don't need this shit.
Oh yeah, that's it. Now you're teary-eyed. You were always such a lowlife. I don't know why I never realized it till now. What do you think about this fucking loser, Sheriff?
He can think whatever he wants. I don't give a shit.
No, that's okay, because I'll tell you what he thinks.
I think whatever happened was between them. And Lily is dead. So let's put this whole thing to rest, Gren.
Да, дровосек вроде... Ну, ему стыдно, видно по эмоциям. Так что не стоило его добивать еще этой информацией.
I don't know where Lily's shit is.
Послать его или
Check
еще
Holly's
что-то.
room, I don't know. But I wouldn't wake her if I were you. Sleepwalkers and trolls. I think that's the rule.
I thought you said you would help me look.
Actually, Big B, if you'll excuse me, it seems that I'm gonna pass out. What a day. Am I right, Sheriff? What a fucking day.
Хрен это не запомнит. Ну ладно. Пьянки это плохо. На утро все выглядят примерно так. Так, давайте посмотрим, что у нас есть. Кровать исследовать, эту побудить и ящик спиртного. Так. Ага. Так, осмотрим коробочку. Ее только этот звук, что ли, мог пошевелить. Это очень забавно.
That you, Woody? Woody?
No, Holly. It's me, Big B.
Big B. Bar's closed. And excuse me, but I'm not in the mood for entertainment.
Ну, это понятно.
But what the fuck? I know you're not gonna leave. You do what you want. You always do what you want.
Я просто бутылка вина. Так, фотография. Давайте фотографию изучим.
Do you even give a shit about us? The strays? The ones that aren't in that fancy high-rise. Those of us that gotta work for a living.
Holly, just because I live in the woodlands doesn't mean I'm not one of your strays. I'm not Crane or Cole. I didn't exactly grow up wearing clothes.
Yeah, I know you didn't.
Так, давай изучим брошечку. Брошечка знакомая, кстати. А, да, она была на пиджаке трупа Снежки. То есть ее сестры.
Why'd you even come here? There's nothing here to investigate. I can't be any use to you.
I came to say I was sorry, Holly.
for the funeral and everything that's happened.
No, you didn't.
Ну, я хотя бы попытался. А, ну это мы ее уже открывали. Получается, она разгаданная. Бутылка вина. Если это урожай 1934 года, это очень дорогая бутылка.
Be honest, Sheriff. Why are you going after him? The guy that killed Lily. You could have quit a long time ago, but you're still going. Why? Did they give you this job for a reason, or was this the only thing the business office would let you do?
The guy I think did it. He and I have a history.
A schoolyard grudge ain't a reason, Bigby. At least it ain't a good one. You just remember, whatever bullshit excuse you tell yourself, I'm counting on you. So don't have any more fuck-ups.
Я буду очень стараться не наломать дополнительных дров. И так их что-то... Бошки летят. Трупы падают.
If you were getting your glamour on this day, then one of these has to be the witch. But which one?
Hello, this is Snow White calling. I'm looking for Bigby. Is anyone there? Bigby, if you're there, pick up, okay?
Снимай.
Snow?
Hey, I just wanted to see how it was going. Did you find anything?
Just an address book with her contact's initials. Not sure which one is the witch, though.
Strange. These people keep cropping up. Before, a few days ago, I thought I knew everyone in Fabletown.
Any ideas?
You should try going up to Crane's place. I sent Buffkin up there to check on things. Bluebeard, you know. Or you could try at the Tweedle's office. Just make it quick.
В офис.
We don't have a lot of time.
I'll head over to Tweedledee's place. See what I can find there.
Sounds good. Just keep me posted. In the meantime, I'll see what I can do on this end.
Okay.
Good luck, Bigby.
Если они...
I hope you're right.
Если они там, то они получат. Во-первых, они испортили похороны. Во-вторых, они защищают Крейна. В-третьих, они хотели меня убить.
Excuse me.
Oh, hi. Sheriff Bigby. Great to see you. I don't know if you remember me. I've, seen you around, but you may have forgotten.
I know who you are, Flycatcher. You've worked at the Woodlands for how many years now?
I think I've lost count. But you know, Crane, let me go recently.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, it's no big deal. So, what brings you here? I mean, can I help you with anything? Are you here to see one of the brothers? D or Dumb? They're in here right now. I'm not sure when they'll be back.
I was hoping to have a talk with D or Dumb. Do you know where they are?
No, they don't really keep regular hours as far as I can tell. Sorry.
Ну, надо
It's
хотя
been,
бы...
a quiet night so far. I think the twins are out, probably working on a case. Sometimes I don't see them for days. They gave me the job after Crane told me to get lost.
Where's their office?
Oh, right this way. I was going there next anyway. I can let you in if you want. You can wait for them there.
Sure, thanks.
No problem.
I'm gonna have to take a look around.
Well, I guess that would be okay.
I wasn't really asking for permission.
Right, you're the sheriff. I just don't want to get in trouble or anything. I'm sure it's fine. I mean, they never told me not to let you in.
Don't worry. I won't get you in trouble, all right?
Блин, ну это как-то не... Как мудак себя повел, блядь. Перед уборщиком затушил сигарету. Блядь, хоть бы в стакан бросил. Ну еб твою мать, мудачила. Давай посмотрим,
Let's see
что
if they've
здесь.
got a file on Crane.
Так, Крейн, ослиная шкура, красавица. Давайте посмотрим, что здесь. На каждого посмотрим. Так,
This is worse than I thought. Shit.
хорошо. Так, и этот кто? Золушка даже есть. Интересно, как выглядит.
Detective Brannigan. Keep an eye on her.
Угу. Так, Золушка. Но она, похоже, в богатой семейке, раз она там в отпуске или что там было написано.
Crane hired them to look for a photo? So that's why they were at her apartment. And the woodsman's place.
Понятно. Крейн.
Ichabod Crane.
Тот, кто нас волнует.
He owes the crooked man money. Shit. How was he planning to pay this all back? Request for property acquisition. Further details filed under donkey skin. Why did he want it back so badly?
Find anything?
Not what I need.
I know these guys can come off abrasive at times, but they aren't so bad once you get to know them. And they really care about helping people. They're kind of loud at times, but you get used to it.
How do you mean they help people?
They're detectives. Anyone can come in here with a problem and they'll do their best to fix it. The way Dee explains it, it's like if someone lost their cat, well, they could hire them to, track it down. Or like sometimes they get packages for people. They can be like couriers,
For who?
All kinds. Come to think of it, I don't really know where they keep them.
Надо это
Anyways, I'm
выяснить.
just saying, you just don't know them like I do.
Sure, Flycatcher.
Так, давайте посмотрим столы. Тут есть что? Нету ничего. Так, это портсигарница. Портсигар, точнее. Пустой, да?
You know about this?
No.
Так, у нас есть ключ, хорошо. Так,
Dear Brother D, I think we should get ourselves a dog. Sincerely, Brother Dunn. He actually mailed this?
They do have their quirks.
This is pointless.
See, I knew you wouldn't find anything. Anything of interest, anyways. They're detectives, like I said. Just trying to make an honest living.
I haven't found anything yet.
I'm just saying.
Look, just trust me on this. Tweedledee and Dum are not nice. They're not helping anyone.
Well, they helped me.
Okay, great. They helped you. That's one person. Now, please, just let me concentrate here.
блин, ну ты капец. Безобидный человек. Нахуй ты на него орешь? Угу.
Dear Brother Dum, I hate dogs and you know it. Sincerely, Brother D. Couple of freaks.
What if you're wrong about them?
I'm not.
They're misunderstood, sure, but that doesn't mean everything people say about them is true. I mean, like when I think about it, you guys aren't that different. You help people, and they help people. Not that it's any of my business, but I just wanted to say, give them a chance.
Let's get one thing straight. They are nothing like me.
Bigby?
Shit. There's something here. I know there is. There has to be.
Why would there be anything
Because they're lying to you, okay, Flycatcher? That's why. They aren't detectives. They shot at Snow White.
Bigby, what happened to your...
You want to know what this is? This is them showing up to Lily's funeral with fucking shotguns.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Holly and Gren both got injured. Snow White nearly got her head blown off. Do you get it now?
I didn't mean to...
There's a door behind this file cabinet. I don't know what they keep back here, but it might be what you're looking for. Well, that key you found should work.
Сразу откроем, не будем тянуть. Блять, ну, тоже некрасиво поступил с этим мужиком. Ну, так-то по факту все объясняет Волк. То, что они не хорошие, они не святые. Да, они ему помогли, там, работу ему дали или что. Но они далеко не святые. То есть это как, так же, как... блять, позже скажу. Позже расскажу. Или давайте на паузу поставлю. Это то же самое, как... как звали этого преступника? Кокаин в Колумбии распространял. Ну, вообще не только в Колумбии, по всему миру. Забыл. Эскобар или как-то так. Ну вот, в своей стране он там много кому помогал. Но во всем мире-то он вредил. Так что я считаю то, что... Тра из того же потока. Хотя я могу... Хотя не могу ошибаться насчет Эскобара. Тоже не святой человек был. Так, что в этой книге?
Anything about Crane, or the witch he was using. Something. This doesn't really tell us much.
Так, что это? Это посылка. Посылка, ну, ну давай поисследуем.
I'm sorry, I know I'm late. I'll get it to you soon. Think about Crane.
Who was he sending money to?
Crooked man. Care of the Lucky Pawn. You know what that is?
Деньги забираем, мы их потом нужным людям отдадим.
Is that what you needed?
I don't think so, but it's interesting. There's more going on here. I still need to find that witch, though.
То есть мы Робин Гуды, мы забираем у плохих людей деньги и отдадим их хорошим. Что-то тут еще есть.
Hey, Bigby. Do you think, after all this, do you think I could come back to the Woodlands? Since Crane let me go, I mean, I can still work here, but...
You should talk to Snow. Maybe there's something she can do for you.
Really? That would be... Thank you.
It's Snow's hair.
Snow White? Why...
We found her hair like this inside Lily's glamour. Anti-Greenleaf. This must be the witch Crane was using.
I guess Dee and Dumb were getting the hair for Crane and sending it to her? That's not a pleasant thought.
Это отвратительно.
Anti-Greenleaf. AG. This is it. Is there a phone around here? I need to call Snow.
Right over there.
Thanks, Fly.
Business office?
I know who she is.
Ну все, считай, дело раскрыто. Сейчас ловим ведьму. Ведьма сдает нам Крейна.
Bigby! I just got here.
Yeah, me too. It's number 23. I haven't seen it yet.
We're late.
Yeah, I know.
На 14 минут. Надо выбивать. Выбиваем дверь.
Right. How do you want to do this?
Так, сперва
Hear
послушаем.
anything?
If anyone's in there, they're being awfully quiet.
Поговорить. Ага, постучать. Выбиваем нахуй дверь.
Wait. What are you doing?
What does it look like?
Don't just kick it in. We don't know what's on the other side. Let's just save the last resort for last.
Ладно, будь
okay.
по-твоему.
What would you have me do instead?
I don't know, knock? I mean, we have no idea what's behind this.
Hello?
Hi.
Это не та ведьма, которую я рассчитывал увидеть.
Sorry about that.
Is something wrong?
Well, pardon the intrusion. I wasn't aware this was a Munchkin's house.
Well, Dorothy, it isn't.
Sharp kid.
Who are you?
Rachel, who are you? Just so we're not strangers.
Well, I'm the sheriff, and this is my partner.
Boss.
Pleased to meet you. How do you do? Is there anything you need?
We're looking for a man, a skinny, pale, nervous fella. Have you seen him?
My art teacher says men are a waste of time.
Do you go to school?
Sometimes. Is there something you want? I don't think I can really help you.
Rachel, do you mind if I take just a quick peek around?
We'll be very quick, and he won't touch anything.
Ну, так-то вы, капец, спросили разрешения
I've
и...
been here all night. Nobody's been here. Okay, Sheriff. I'm gonna trust you not to break anything. Don't get me in trouble.
What are we looking for specifically?
Crane, he could still be here.
Ну, давайте просто для начала просто осмотримся. Вдруг его синяя борода поймал и сейчас держит у себя в
No
квартире.
one's been over all night, so...
He's just going to check. It'll only take a moment.
Ладно, оставим это на следующую серию. Спасибо за просмотр. Увидимся в следующей серии. Всем пока.